a bathroom door. We've actually had a door for a good while now, but I haven't wanted to do this video because I wanted to finish it. But I think I'm just gonna put that off until the fall. It is so hot, but we have a cool barn door and I'm gonna show you how I built it right now. So what I've done is I have 2x4s here that I've taped with just painter's tape to hopefully that'll keep all the glue off of the boards and the 2x4s. Then what I did is I clamped these guys down nice and tight to be able to keep them to squish this way together. Then on each side I have ratchet strapped them to try to squeeze them in. Done with, man, it's so messy. Done with the sanding, covered in white dust. Ah, ah. Should have waited till I got home. All right, so let's go ahead and go over why I had to install a barn door for our bathroom. First, I need coffee. Elixir of life. The reason why we had to do a barn door, we like it, it's fun, but it wasn't what I would have wanted in this design. There's a couple of things with this, and for you guys that are doing shed to house, it is a heads up for you that if you want pocket doors everywhere, you really need to have clear communication with your builder. The reason why we had to do a barn door here was because this ceiling is a load-bearing wall for our loft. So there are joists running, I think this way, and in order to get it to fit, we would have had to cut out the header there and rebuild it. So basically, everything in this area underneath the loft or the bath would have been not perfectly safe. So I think it would have done okay, but we talked to Farm and Yard and it was like, yeah, that might void the warranty if you take that out. That was something that we said, nope, we're not gonna do it. We just decided to go with a barn door. Now, of course, a barn door is not exactly the most private type of door for a bathroom. We still need to add the trim and we need to finish it out and find and move the door a little bit in this direction, because yes, whenever you're doing the business and you kind of peek out there, you can see that. Hello, can you see me? Hi. It's not fully private. Also, we're gonna add a lock over here. Just haven't gotten to that yet, because what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take the entire door off and take it outside and really finish it and drill the holes for the lock. So I'm gonna wait till we get some cool fronts coming in and I'm gonna be able to do all of our outdoor projects when it's cooler. Hey, if you like this video, please smash that like button, give us a comment down below, and also just send us a message on Instagram, because we like to be able to talk to you guys. We're only better together because you guys are here. All right, we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.